Step 1. Using a pencil, mark where you will be placing your brackets within the recess of your window. The brackets should be placed at least 90mm away from the frame's edges and a maximum of 150mm. Step 2. Place the bracket on the inside of the measured pencil markings and pencil in where the brackets will be fitted. Step 3. Drill pilot holes where you have marked the brackets. The pilot holes are used as a guide for where the screws will be fixed. Step 4. Using the pilot holes as a guide, screw your brackets into the window frame. Step 5. With the brackets successfully secured, clip the blind into place. Step 6. Carefully secure the cord tidy clip. It should be placed a minimum of 1500mm above the floor. Place the clip in a safe position to avoid the Venetians hitting it when operating. For an easy guide, be sure to drill pilot holes first. And there you have it. You have successfully installed your brand new Venetian blinds.